आई यूज्ड टू थिंक जॉब लेना बहुत ही आसान चीज़ है। डिग्री लो, एक्सपीरियंस लो, अप्लाई करो और जॉब लो और कोई तुमको सिलेक्ट कर लेगा। बट जैसे मैंने सोचा था उतना ईज़ी भी नहीं है। हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल लाइफ विद जया। इफ यू आर न्यू हियर, आई एम जया. I have been working in corporate world for last few years and I have worked across operations, quality and process excellence. Job hunting doesn't work the way you think. Getting rejected doesn't mean you are not good enough. There were times when I looked at a job description and thought this is really made for me. I had experience, I had skills, I applied, and then nothing. No rejection mail, no interview, just a silence. And honestly, that silence can make you question yourself. You start thinking, maybe I'm not good enough, maybe my experience isn't valuable, maybe everyone else is better than me. But that's not necessarily true. Sometime another candidate is better match. Sometime the company wants someone who can join immediately. Sometime the position gets put on hold, and sometime you simply weren't the person they were looking for. And that's okay. Stop applying on everything. One of my biggest mistake was thinking the more job I apply to, the better my chance. So I would see a job that was even slightly related to my experience and apply. But eventually, I realized something. You don't need to apply to every job. You need to apply to the right job. Look at the requirement, understand what company is actually looking for, and ask yourself: does my experience solve the problem they are hiring for? That one question can completely change where you apply. Your resume isn't your autobiography. This is something I learned the hard way. Your resume isn't supposed to tell your entire career story. It's supposed to make the recruiter think, I want to know about this person. Don't just write responsible for process improvement, show what you actually improved, what problem did you solve, what changed because of your work, what was the impact. Because recruiters doesn't want to know what you did, they want to know what you achieved. Skills matter, but knowing how to use them matters more. I have learned different tools throughout my career: Excel, Power BI, SQL, process improvement methodologies, and more. But here's a thing: knowing a tool isn't enough. You need to know how to use it to solve a business problem. Anyone can learn how to create a dashboard, but can you look at the data and say, this is the problem, this is why it's happening, and this is what we should do about it? That's where the real value is. Your career doesn't have to be straight line. My career definitely hasn't been a straight line. I started somewhere completely different, then I moved into quality, then process excellence, and every move taught me something. At some point, I realized that changing direction doesn't mean you're failing. Sometimes you're simply getting closer to what you actually want. And if you're watching this right now, if you're applying for jobs, you're getting rejected, you're not getting responses, please don't let it convince you that you are not capable. I've been there, and honestly, I'm still figuring out my own career. I don't have anything figured out. I don't have some magical formula, but I have learned a few things along the way. And that's what I want to share. So, if you are also trying to build your career, learn new skills, switch jobs, figure out corporate life, somehow figure out your life at the same time. And today I want to talk about something I wish someone had told me much earlier. Because that's exactly what Life with Jai is going to be about. Not perfect career, not perfect life, just real experience, real lesson, and figuring things out on a step at a time. If this sounds like something you'd want to follow, subscribe to Life with Jaya, and I'll see you in the next one.